Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming permissions and choosing the right client. Make sure you have Exchange admin or delegated rights, otherwise you cannot update the global address list. In Outlook, turn cached Exchange mode off if you want a fresh, server-accurate sync, then go to File, Account Settings, and select Download Address Book. This triggers the initial pull. Once done, Outlook will request the server copy. Make sure the address book type is set to Global Address List to avoid downloading a local copy instead. Now you move into Exchange to make authoritative changes because Outlook reflects server data. Use Exchange Admin Center for a GUI edit or Exchange Management Shell when you need bulk changes. Update attributes like display name, mail, proxy addresses, and department so recipients appear correctly. After edits, run Update Global Address List, then regenerate the offline address book and incrementally rebuild it. This ensures clients receive the new snapshot. Make sure replication finishes across all domain controllers before you expect global visibility. Finish by forcing clients to refresh and verifying results. Re-enable cached mode if you prefer it, but first manually download address book so Outlook pulls the regenerated OAB. Check entries in Outlook and in OWA to confirm display names, email addresses, and proxy addresses are correct. Also test autocomplete. If something is missing, verify Active Directory replication, review offline address book generation logs, and confirm client sync settings. If needed, clear local OAB files and repeat the download. That usually resolves stale entries.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.